Panoramas have the power to transport the viewer into the heart of a scene and create cinematic images which display the view in its entirety. Panoramas provide, quite literally, an expanded canvas for creative expression and storytelling. And digitally merging images together into a panorama allows you to overcome the challenge of capturing vast scenes with the lens you have on hand. But not all panoramas are made equal. Those created using photographs taken on DSLR or mirrorless cameras are far superior to anything you can capture using your phone camera. And that's when using Adobe Lightroom comes into play. I'm Dominic Righini-Brand, a photographer, designer, and teacher passionate about candidly capturing the world around me and creating photographs which tell a story. I teach a range of photography classes, covering the subjects which I'm most passionate about, including colour editing, black and white film photography, and photo restoration. And with this class, I'm excited to invite you to explore the world of panoramas as a genre and learn how to create professional, seamless panoramas in Adobe Lightroom. In this class, we'll start by diving into the historic background of panoramas as a creative genre and exploring the pros and cons of creating panoramas using your phone. And then you will learn practical tips for capturing photographs using DSLR or mirrorless cameras and how to get the most out of Adobe Lightroom's Panorama tool to create captivating panoramas. This class is designed for landscape and urban photographers looking to level up their skills and create professional level panoramas perfect for large prints or digital displays. It is also an excellent choice for photography students who are looking to gain new technical skills and enhance their cultural understanding to support their studies. For the best experience possible, familiarity with the interface and tools available in Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Lightroom Classic is highly recommended. Even if you've experimented with creating panoramas before, I hope this class will help you enhance your understanding of the tools needed to create perfect panoramas using different types of photographs. Join me in this class and let's explore the expansive world of panoramic photography together.